Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install some LED tail lights, and they're going to be without a resistor, and this should apply to 23 and 24 Super Duties. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2024 F250 Keen wrench. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, here is the tail light removed. You just take the two screws on the side and then you pull the tail light back or out, and then this is here for the bliss system, and then your bottom light. All right, we're gonna try this LASFIT bulbs. Supposedly you don't need any resistors with them to prevent hyperflash. They once you put them on, it doesn't require them, so we'll try that and see how it goes. Okay, here the bulbs are installed. Go ahead and turn on the parking lights. All right, now turn on the left turn signal. No hyper flash. So there we go. We're gonna put all this back together and see how it looks from. Okay, the taillight's back in. All right, go ahead and turn on the parking lights. Okay, now turn on the turn signal. There we go. You can even tell the difference with the LED. I haven't done this sign, but just parking lights on. LEDs on the left side, and yeah, you can tell the difference pretty good. Hey, turn the right turn signal. Okay, now the left. Yeah, difference is pretty good. You know, one cool thing about these bulbs is that it has LEDs on the side and then on the front here. So a lot of the other ones that I've seen don't have LEDs in the front like this one does here. So that's a cool thing, and for the price, I bought them on Amazon. They were pretty good, and you don't need a resistor. Okay, just testing the passenger side. Only the passenger side turn signal's on, and yeah, there's no hyper flash or anything, so no resistors are needed with these bulbs. We'll see how long they last. I haven't heard anything bad about them on the reviews on Amazon or in the forums. But by the way, I basically follow the recommendation of people on the forums. Ford truck forums, I think it was, where I'll put the thread on the description. Okay, now we're gonna replace the license plate lights with same brand, LASFIT. In the part number LT10, and these are supposed to be a replacement for 194 bulbs. So we'll give it a try and see how they look. Okay, well, they do work, and I could tell there's 360 coverage. I was kind of concerned that, you know, the LEDs around it was gonna not cover, you know, wasn't gonna cover 360, but it does, as you can tell. We'll put it back. They should look a lot better than that. Well, here's the difference. It's a lot of difference. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but from a halogen bulb to at least these LEDs, the difference is day and night. Alright, and here's the before. I didn't do it at night. I'm sure you guys know how it would look at night. But here's the before with the halogen. And here comes this is the end result. As you can see, they're a lot brighter. There's no hyper flash, and the end result, it's very, very good. This was very inexpensive, and hope you guys like it. Until then, guys, I'll see you next time.